This video briefly demonstrates how to find books using the Ohlone College Library online catalog, which is also called HANS. When you come into HANS, you're set to the basic search screen. And similar to Google or Yahoo, you can type one or more keywords into the search box and then get results that match your search terms. In the library catalog, these results will be mostly print books and some ebooks, although note that the large majority of ebooks that the library owns are not in HANS, and you can find them using our ebook database, searching that directly. Okay, notice that by default, your search is set to look for the search terms that you type in all fields. So this means that your words could be in titles or in authors or in subject fields, in notes, basically anything that describes the book, though the search is not matching on the full text of books or ebooks. And you can use the drop-down menu here to change this general keyword search into a search for an exact book title or words in the author's names or words in the subjects or a call number. Okay. So for an example, let's assume that I want to find information about the recent controversies around head injuries in sports like football. So in general, in the online catalog, you should avoid putting too many words into the search box or you won't get any or good results. So I'm going to type just a couple of words that describe my topic. Concussion in sports, and leave it set to search within all fields and then click on search. And my results list, there's only 4 results. It's a small result, but at least at first glance, all of these titles look relevant to my research topic. And the first book is available in the Fremont Campus Library Circulating Collection. Another one is available in the new book section. There's one over at the Newark Center LRC and a last one again at Fremont. And just from this results screen, I can get lots of good basic information about each one of these titles. Along with the title, I've got the author's name, the date of publication, which is an important consideration in a scientific or medical topic like this one. And I've got the call number, where to find the books on the shelves, along with the location. So in your textbook, the author talks about call numbers being used to find books where they're located on the shelves in the library. And like most academic libraries, Ohlone uses the Library of Congress, or LC, classification call number system. And this is different from the Dewey Decimal classification system that you might be familiar with that's used in most public libraries. So that's the number where you would find the book on the shelves. And if I want any more detailed information about any of these titles, I can click on the link for the title and get the detailed record. So in this case, I get a table of contents for this book. I get a summary of what the book is about. And if you find a good book on your topic, one of the best things that you can do is pay attention to these subject terms, the subject headings for a book. And you should write them down so that you can use them later in either more searching within HANS or in other databases. These are good additional terms that you can use to find relevant information on your topic. Notice also that within HANS you can create an account for yourself, and then you can add the books you find to a list, which you can then return to. It's a good way to keep track of good resources that you find and also be able to retrieve all the important information that you need about them in order to cite them later when you're working on your bibliography. Okay, so this is a quick basic tour of HANS. Thank you for watching and have a nice search.